Good morning, my name is Andrew Smith from Power Integrations. We're here at APEC in Anaheim. It's March 2019 and we're introducing a new product. This is our InnoMux chipset. It comprises of two ICs, the InnoMux 3MX and the InnoMux. And what it's for is multi-output power supplies. Now, multi-output power supplies have been around for a very long time, and ever since the first one was developed, people have been battling challenges of cross-regulation, load and line regulation, when they're only able to regulate the main output. What InnoMux does is, instead of regulating a single output, actually regulates all three outputs simultaneously. And it does that by sharing the control function and a clever switching stage added to the device. Now, traditional power supplies will use a post regulator to ensure the outputs obtain the right level of accuracy. Post regulators are very good, they're very efficient, they work very well, but they do have an impact on the overall system efficiency. Even if they're 90% efficient, the system efficiency will drop by that amount. So when we're trying to make power supplies now that are 90% plus efficient, and a 5 or 6 or even 10% reduction in efficiency is not sustainable. So what InnoMux does, it takes a control function, which is shown, if we can zoom in for a moment, in this device. And what it does, it analyzes what's happening on each of these outputs. And it decides which output needs power. And we've positioned power switches on different points on the output. And those power switches turn on and off depending on whether or not an output needs load. The advantage with, needs power for its load. The advantage of doing it that way is that the output only turns on when it's required to recharge the output capacitors. It's not a switching stage, it's simply a pass stage, so there's no efficiency impact. What that means is the InnoMux technology is now able to achieve 91% efficiency on a 3-output power supply and achieve excellent regulation.